Welcome to the Weather Center, everyone. We started off Saturday with light rain and drizzle over parts of the west coast and the southwestern areas, but it should become dry later on this afternoon over these parts of the country. However, late tonight, this cold front introduces more light rain into the southwestern parts of the country. In the meantime, we started off the day with scattered and widespread thunderstorms across much of the interior, and it's going to stay unsettled, particularly over parts of the Northern Cape, the Northwest and the Free State, as well as the northern areas of the Eastern Cape. Partly cloud and dry weather is forecast for the northeastern provinces. So this Saturday, you can expect widespread thunderstorms in these areas. You see the shading of purple, including the bulk of the Free State. Scattered thunderstorms are expected where you see the dark shade of blue. Isolated rain and thunder showers can be expected in the areas highlighted by the lighter shades of blue, including parts of the west coast as well as the south coast. Now we have a watch in place for heavy rains that could reach and exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, the western parts of the Free State and Northwest, and the easternmost sections of the Northern Cape. Afternoon temperatures are going to look more like this. Highs in the upper 20s are forecast around Mahikeng and Potchefstroom as well as much of the Gauteng province. Hot as we go towards Mbombela and Palabora with highs in the lower 30s. It's going to be mild this afternoon around Bloemfontein. However, hot afternoon temperatures will persist across the KwaZulu-Natal province. It's going to be warm to hot as well for much of the Eastern Cape. Moderate to fresh northeasterlies are forecast this Saturday along much of the east coast, but the winds are going to be pretty strong around Port Elizabeth, gusting to 50 kilometers per hour. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. We are going to see temperatures cooling down a touch over the southern interior and lying mostly in the upper 20s and lower 30s. A high of 25 is forecast for Vredendal. It's going to be mild to warm over the south and the southwest coastline. Breezy conditions are also forecast around Jeffreys Bay and Cape Agulhas. Swell heights of the south coast will average around 2 meters, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be hot across much of the northern Cape. Mild, however, for Kimberley, peaking at just around 22 degrees. Moderate winds are forecast this Saturday for much of the west coast, and temperatures here will lie mostly in the lower to mid 20s. A 1.5 meter swell height is forecast off the west coast. Isolated thunderstorms are forecast on Sunday across the eastern half of the country. It's going to be mostly sunny for the western sections. Cape Town warming to 26 degrees.